Good morning, dear children. As we were studying A, E, I, O, U sounding words from so many days, so now let us check that how much we have learned. So, my dear students, these are some fill-ups. Come on, let us solve. Fill-ups with A, E, I, O, U letters. Now, number one, R dash T. Now, come on, tell me. Yes, R A T, rat. Next, H dash N. Yes, yeah, very good. H E N, hen. H E N, hen. He, na, hen. Next, what else? Number third, B I B, bib. B I B, B I B, bib. Next, G dash T. Try. Yes. Go. O. G O, go. T, got. Next, N dash T. N. N U, N. T, nut. Then F dash N. Yeah, in summer what we use? Usually what we use? Yes, we use fan. Fa, a. Which sound is coming? A. F-A, fa, n, fan. Next, P dash T. Animals which we keep at home. What do we call? They are pet animal. Pet, pet. P-E, pet, pet. Now, 8 W dash N. Yes, win. We win in some of the races or in some of the competitions. So win. Win. Next, N dash D. We nod our head. No. O. No. N-O. No. D. Nod. Next, G dash N. G. G-U. G. N. Gun. G-U. G. N. Gun. Next is T dash P. What do we see in the washroom? From where water comes? Tap. Ta. Ta. A. T-A. Tap. Tap. M dash N. Me. M-E. Me. N. Men. And this one, T-E-N. Ten. Z-I-P. Z. Z-I-Z. Zip. Next, 15. P dash T. Paw. O. P-O. Paw. T. Pot. Next, B dash S. Bus. B-U. S. Bus. Number 17. S dash D. Sad. Sa. A. Which sound is coming? A. S-A. Sa. D. Sad. W-I-G. Yes, wig. V. W-I-V-J. Wig. G sounds like G. So, wig. D dash T. Do. D-O. Do. T. dot. And last M dash D. Mud. M-U. M-D. Mud. Well done. So now you have understood how to use or how to make three-letter words with A, E, I, O, U short sound. Well done. Thank you.